Matjiesfontein is a little town in the foot of the Great Karoo. We have about 350 people living in the town itself. It's a very historic town. It was founded in the late 1800s. And there's a lot to do in Matjiesfontein. Anything from just coming out to relax, stay in either the Lord Milner Hotel or Matjies Motel. We offer tennis. We've got a lovely tennis court that's recently been renovated. We've got lovely gardens for families to walk around, having a quick picnic. We've got a beautiful swimming pool, one of the old swimming pools, and we always describe it as also the coldest swimming pool in Africa. We also do offer a little bit of hiking trails as well as mountain biking. What makes the Lord Milner Hotel more particular so great in hosting functions, we've got a lovely management team. They're very capable. Also excellent staff, a group of people who knows exactly what they're doing. They're very warm at heart, great with hospitality, and most of our staff have been here up to 40 years. So we know what hospitality is all about and getting a function perfect for whether it's a wedding or whether it's a corporate function.
The owner of this hotel and this bus bought the whole bus in Cape Town, and they bring it 1976. He drive it up to Matjiesfontein. So every night for 10 minutes we do the shortest tour in South Africa. Fat and fluffy. People don't like long tours, you know. It's like the same in the church. They don't like long preaching. So we do the same in my church. I do short preaching, and here I do a short talking. And they love it because it gave the whole history. Why this place stand in the middle of nowhere. And in 10 minutes time, you know the whole town.
Matjiesfontein has got a lot of history. It was founded by Scotsman James Logan in the late 1800s. It's also known for one of the main camps during the Anglo-Boer War for the British. So a lot of history, a lot of buildings around here was all established in the late 1800s. Same as the Lord Milner Hotel, which is obviously one of the more prominent buildings in Matjiesfontein. It was named after the governor of the Cape Colony at the time, Lord Milner. And the hotel took about 5 years to complete. By 1891, just before the first cricket match between South Africa and England took place in Matjiesfontein, the hotel was also completed and was shortly after it was used as a field hospital during the Anglo-Boer War as well. After people experience Matjiesfontein, they feel very emotionally attached towards the property itself and towards the people, especially guests that had a wedding here or some sort of a function here, or just staying over. And when they leave here, I think that's the most important. They take a part of history with them, and you get a total different, authentic experience here.